Hello, my computing friends. We're here live at Taipei, Taiwan, and today marks a major milestone for the Premio Inc. journey in the last 37 years of our brand heritage and why we've made a mark in the computing products and the architecture that we deliver to our partners. Today is an important milestone because we are combining C&T Solutions under the Premio brand and what you know as Premio Taiwan Inc. Why this is so important? It's two major reasons. Number one is the exploding edge AI market. 75% of that data is going to be processed away from the cloud, closer to the edge, and how that experience is going to deliver for our products. Our products are made up of key product portfolios, everything from x86 super ruggedized computing architectures, NVIDIA Jetson, industrial HMI touch displays, and edge AI servers. So if you're looking for more products, please visit us at premioinc.com or follow us on our social channels for those built rugged, built ready solutions.